Honest sir, it's a finger slip. How are you guys doing?
Pretty good.
How's the arm, man?
It's alright. It's fine. It's a couple of marks. Yeah, it still look like a crackhead.
Do you look like you got track marks all the way up it?
Yeah.
Tons of fun. How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm good.
Oh, what are you rocking?
It's a bit of ting.
I saw that a couple of weeks ago on patrol base. I want it.
Fine. Right.
But
You have
had to replace all of the internals.
what make is it?
E&L.
I'm avoiding that. It fell off.
I have pokey end.
Oh, the pokey end. Fucking Nora.
Guys, let's go! Everyone round the corner, let's go!
Sorry to touch your tip, by the way.
No, it's alright. I was in the Navy.
No! No! You are the same as because that's the psychopath.
Stay away.
Cough, please.
Allah Akbar!
Oh, tickle my balls.
Be wherever, what come what may, over the hills and far away. There he is. So if they're over there, it's not a good idea being over there then.
I'm starting on that word.
It's alright, don't worry about it. It's a love tap! Wait.
Hey, fuck you!
Oh shit. Does Tank know that we're not supposed to be actually over there? Oh, I don't care. Ah! I can fucking play this game all day. Told ya!
I'm almost certain.
Who the fuck?
Yeah, I guess.
They ain't even started the game yet.
Game's not started, mate.
Already then? The game's
No.
got started.
How high up are your nipples? I shot my friend in the tit and it's up here.
Yeah, it's big like. Why did you shoot me? I didn't.
Oh, that guy!
That wasn't me.
You watch, he'll come up behind me later and just plug me straight in the arse. Tank. I shot him in the tit. I'm like, it's like in his shoulder blade. I'm like, what the fuck? How is that your tit?
Bucket! Cheese it, boy!
You just fucking fart!
You what?
You just fart!
I don't know.
Was it head height?
No, you're just naturally
sorry,
smelly,
you're
aren't
gonna
you?
just
Like?
gonna push that in there.
You're just naturally smelly, aren't you, Zach?
Yeah, bong party!
Hello.
Hello.
Hello, mate.
Hello, mate. I've come to fix your washing machine, but I might nick it for the Imperium.
Oh, you can have it, mate.
God knows where that came from.
No, me neither. Think thin.
That way.
Hey, you guys.
You guys done that? Spread out a bit, will ya? Spread out a bit, you're gonna chuck your Zombies can't use grenades.
Contact coming from 5 forward ahead. Be aware.
No idea.
It's over that way.
No!
Scared of what? Oh, you scared, yeah? Mommy, help me.
You see them?
I've got a zombie over there. Ah, fucking hell, hit!
Bye bye.
Brains! Brains. Good shot, whoever that was. That was a cracking shot.
I didn't even see my man. It's just, next thing I know, I just went to headshot it.
Oh shit.
Shoulder back.
Right, new mag because I was fucking about too much. Seriously, I spent more ammunition on my friend than I did in them. Yeah, we've got to just shoot them. Gotcha, you fucker! Gotcha! Gotcha! Moving forward. For the Emperor! Watch out, guy on the window top. Gotcha! It's Nicky's little ragamuffin! I'm impressed. I haven't been fucking it yet. Ah, good shot, well done! I know that's screaming. Brains! Sorry. Holy hand grenade! Hallelujah! Hey, 2 kills! Hiya! Nice, the one that went over there.
Got me when you were behind there. Yeah, ball one was me.
It was straight in here.
Yeah.
That was me.
I saw it, I was like, grenade!
That was nervous. Landed right in between my legs. Like,
That was cracking.
Good lad. I just heard a bang, I was like, uh-oh. And before the time I could shout and jump out of the way, I felt it hit me.
That was funny.
Hey, good shot.